Hey team, just wanted to remind you that a likely spot where rodents get in a lot of times is by a crawl space access. And here, we had a nice sized crawl space, but down by the access door, you can see that there's a pretty good gap down here where the door seals in, and there's actually some chew marks on the framing there. So for quite some time, rodents have been coming in and out of this corner of the crawl space access. And just remember, if a rodent can get in a size like about the size of a nickel or a dime. A little field mouse can squeeze into tiny little spots, so you really want to keep an eye out for gaps like this. And it's a good idea just to do a once over around your own home occasionally to look out for spots like that where they might be getting in and out of. We see rodent activity in about 8 out of 10 homes, at least up here in the Pacific Northwest. So not uncommon, but we want to do what we can to keep them out and have traps in place just in case they do get in. Have a great day.